Monitor here. This is Sweet South. I'm just gonna ride this up before.
Are you planning on blowing this place up or what?
Trying to remember where you're coming from.
4 room on 6. Looks like it's gonna be this one right here. Alright, I gotta get back up. Yep, 200 seats, please.
You going up too?
Yeah, please.
That's going up. Everybody going up 7, 8?
10, please.
7, please. Did we say 7?
610, please 610.
7?
Yes.
You going up?
Going up or going down?
Going up.
I think we're going down.
It's the Lexus Suites floor.
Bro, I'm curious, what are you doing?
Elevator photographer. Also here to see Rush.
All right.
The Rush. Thank you.
All right, I'll see you in a
Here's something cool. You can get a view out these windows. There's another set on the other side. And that's it.